To our time with the finalists for the Junior Science and Maths Quiz. Remember that the Junior Science and Maths Quiz is proudly supported by the KNUST E-Learning Center, the Institute of Distance Learning KNUST, DEX Technologies, in collaboration with ERIDEC Ghana, the College of Science, the College of Engineering at the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, with our key partners being the Ghana Education Service, with sponsorship from Gridco, MTN Stakeholders Management, Nestle Ghana Limited, Diopta Eye Consult, and Helimano Cakes and Catering Services. So we have Good Shepherd RCJHS here, our last call for the finals tomorrow. Let's get to know our contestants. So let me start with you, my lady.
I go by the name Millicent Nsowaya.
Okay. Form 1, Form 2, Form 3?
I'm in Basic 9.
Okay, okay.
Basic Jeremy, Basic 9.
Okay.
Margaret Petra Sidayafi, Basic 9.
Okay.
Maria Agatha Pokubuensi, Basic 9.
Basic 9. That's very interesting. It means all of you are transitioning into the senior high school. And I asked other contestants from the two schools how the feeling is. I want to know how you're feeling. Because when I look at your faces, I don't know if you're excited or not. So tell us how the feeling is. Let me start from Marie.
Okay, so I'm very happy that we're able to make it to the finals. I feel like we placed in a lot of effort and it has paid off. So we are extremely glad that we're able to make it to where we wanted to be.
Okay, okay. So let's speak to Petra.
Okay, so I'm very, very happy and excited that we are in the finals. And then I know that it's going to be a very good one this time. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Jeremy.
It feels good.
Just like that?
Yeah, it feels good. Like, it feels good to go to the finals.
Okay, okay.
I feel glad getting to the finals since it's the first time we've made it to the finals with our badge.
Okay. So have you been watching so far in previous years? All of you, is it your first time being a contestant? Okay. You have been a contestant before, Petra? All four of you. So this is like your second appearance. And that's impressive. Okay. I spoke to the previous schools and they talked about the fact that they know they are going to win. They expect nothing but the best. What are your expectations for tomorrow?
My expectations is I'm looking up to my God, our God, because He helped us to emerge victorious in yesterday and all the other contests. That's my expectation.
Okay. Jeremy?
Finals, everybody will say they are going to win, so we just wait to see what happens.
Okay. But what are your expectations?
My expectations.
You are going to win?
What? Like if.
Okay. Okay, Petra.
Okay, so I expect that our steps will be directed by God and that our victory would finally be something that will be very, very exceptional. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so my expectations are we are definitely winning tomorrow's contest and it will all be by God's grace.
Impressive. So we live to see what happens tomorrow. But let me speak to Jeremy. You are the only gentleman amongst three ladies. In the first school, we had only one lady. Second school, we had two ladies. In Good Shepherd, we have three ladies. How does it feel being in the midst of ladies? How does it feel?
I'm suffering with like only ladies and like
How are you suffering?
After they give me pressure, be on.
They give you pressure. They give you a run for your money. That's a good thing.
It's not a good thing.
Okay, but let's move to your journey so far. I know you just moved into the quarterfinals. You didn't have to go through the preliminary stage, right?
We did. We went to the preliminary
You
stage.
went through the prelims?
Yes, please.
Okay, so how has the journey been so far from prelims up to the semifinals?
I would say it's been hectic, sleepless nights,
There were nights you didn't sleep?
Kind of, almost, yes.
Okay. Jeremy?
It has been tough from preliminary stage, the quarterfinals, the semifinals, which was very, very tough.
That was your toughest?
Yeah. Well, I wouldn't say, okay, it was tough, but then it was mistakes and then everything, but then, like it has been a very tough journey. Yeah.
So So would you say you've corrected your mistakes going into the final?
I hope so.
Okay. Petra?
Okay, so it hasn't been an entirely smooth journey, but then I know that it's definitely for us. So no matter how we've gone through the ups or downs, I know that this year is surely our year. We are ready for it. Yeah.
Okay.
So I feel like the road was rough, but the only reason why I've been able to get to where we are today is because of God. So we are hoping and trusting in Him that although we suffered to get to where we are today, He will deliver us tomorrow and we'll take the trophy home.
Marie is trusting on God, and I like that. But let's move your transition to the senior high school. Let me know the schools that you're going to, or the schools that you're in so far.
Okay. So I'm in Our Lady of Grace Senior High School.
Okay. Ola.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm also in Our Lady of Grace Senior High School.
Okay.
Prempeh College.
Amanfo.
Seniors.
Okay.
Wesley Girls High School.
Oh, okay. What do you guys say? Do you have a slogan or something?
Yes.
What do you say?
Not really a slogan, but I'll say our motto is live pure, speak true, right wrong, and follow the king.
Nice. Okay. But let's move to the career path you would wish to journey on. I want to know what you wish to be in future. Let's start with you.
A surgeon.
A surgeon.
Yes.
Interesting.
Computer engineer.
Okay. So are you coming to K University?
No.
Where are you going to?
I don't know yet, but not Kanye West.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm not really certain yet, but then I'm choosing between computer science or medical legal practitioner. Yeah.
But let me ask Jeremy why he's not coming to K University, because you've been to K University, and K University is a very beautiful school, a very beautiful university. You need to come to K University.
I'll come.
Marie, let's know your career path.
Okay, so I haven't decided yet, but I have 3 options. So it's either I'll become a pharmacist, a medical doctor, or a forensic scientist.
Okay, that's very impressive. Now let's move to your special shout-outs as we wrap it up. Special shout-outs, is there anybody you want to thank? Your parents, your teachers, your supporters, anyone?
Okay, so the first shout out will obviously go to our quiz teacher, Sir Perez. He has helped us through all our challenges. He's been the one to teach us and correct our mistakes. So it's by his help that we are where we are today. So we are saying a big thank you to him.
Okay. Petra?
Okay, so for me, my shout outs are to, of course, Sir Perez first. Then our seniors, like our past contestants who have been helping us out. Then the rest of our quiz team people, like our juniors in school that have been coming around support. Yeah, and then, yeah, exactly.
Okay.
So I'd like to thank God first for bringing us this far. I'd like to thank Sir Perez for supporting us and being with us through every step of the way. And I thank my parents for helping me, supporting me in everything. Then all my friends, and then Ellis. Yeah, Ellis too. I thank Ellis very much. Yeah.
Okay.
First of all, I'd like to thank God Almighty for how far He's brought us. Then also, my thanks go to our quiz coordinator, Mr. Perez Osei Prempeh, who's been with us through our ups and downs. Yeah, silly mistakes we make, but he's still with us. Yeah, and also to my family members for supporting us with our prayers and everything. With all those who wish the best for us, thank them as well.
Okay. So to end the conversation, I would want to know how the Junior Science and Maths quiz has impacted you, so that other young ones who also want to join the quiz in future, who want to join their school's quiz team, can learn something and join in future. Let's start with Marie.
Okay, so I would say that the Junior Science and Math quiz has also helped. It has helped me to build my confidence because you are answering questions in front of a large audience, not only those in person, but those watching you from their screens. So it builds the confidence as well. And it also prepares you for the senior high school. So I do round 5, which is Nobel. So when we went to school, most of the people we learn about in, let's say, chemistry are all laureates. So if you've heard of them before and you've studied their work, it makes the lesson quite smooth and entertaining for you.
Interesting. Petra?
Okay, so I'd say JSMQ puts you in like a different arena. Like you feel like you're in a different world where you get to know everything. You get to understand why things are the way they are. That's like a normal person will not know. And then we all know that in this era of, technology and everything, knowledge is what we are moving with. So then if I know something that you don't know, I have an upper hand in a lot of things, right? And then when we went to school too, like she's saying, we'll be in class and then like having chemistry class, they'll mention this person's name. And then like you feel like, yeah, I really understand what's going on. Yeah. So you get to understand a lot of things, like some principles, some math formulas and all that, and it improves your speed, accuracy and all that. Yeah.
Wonderful. Jeremy?
Yeah, it has helped me a lot.
How has it helped you?
Like, as sitting on stage, yeah, it has helped improve my confidence.
And I can see you are very confident.
Oh, I'm not confident. Like
you just said it has helped improve your confidence.
First, I wasn't confident, but now I'm confident a bit.
You are increasing a little.
Yeah.
Okay. Likewise, what the others said, it has improved my confidence and then my sense of reasoning. At first, you could realize some questions you have no idea about, but entering into the junior science and math quiz, you could think about things differently the way people do them. Yes, and then it has helped me in school. Yes, going into senior high school, you realize you know what others do not know, and even when the teacher is teaching, you already know it more than what he's about to teach. Yes, so it helped me in school.
Okay, it was nice getting to know you guys, Millicent, Jeremy, Petra, Marie. I wish you the best tomorrow, and may the best school actually win. Okay. So this has been our time with the finalists of the Junior Science and Maths Quiz. We need to see what happens tomorrow, which school actually wins and gets to brag about the fact that they are the 2025 Junior Science and Maths Quiz champions. Remember that the Junior Science and Maths Quiz is presented by the KNUST E-Learning Center, the Institute of Distance Learning, DEST Technologies in collaboration with Eridec Ghana, the College of Science, the College of Engineering at the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, with Ghana Education Service as the key partners. We also have sponsorship from Gridco, MTN Stakeholders Management, Nestle Ghana Limited, Diopta Eye Consult, and Helimanuel Case and Catering Services. So make sure tomorrow at exactly 10 a.m. you are here at the CCB Auditorium for the grand finale of the Junior Science and Maths Quiz. My name is Abna Sawajemfi, and I've been your host with the time with the finalists. Thank you.